Alright folks, this is my 1948 Plymouth Special Deluxe, 218 flathead 6, 77,000 miles, and I just got done replacing the distributor bushings in it due to excessive wear. It was causing me a lot of issues starting, and plus I believe the timing was over advanced. So right now it's 37 degrees outside. I'm going to do a cold start and see if she fires right up. So here we go. And absolutely freaking beautiful. Don't even miss a lick. That is amazing. Folks, that was a dead cold start. All I did was hit the gas pedal one time. A little bit of choke, very, very little. But before it was laboring when it cranked over. It would actually stop it dead. You know, with 6 volt, when you're running that issue, usually it's due to over advanced ignition timing. So you can see all the lights work. Even got a heater works, along with defrost. But everything still works, even the horn. Well, sometimes. Sometimes. There we go. Sounds really good, but I'll keep you updated. I really don't want to take it out in this weather. It's just rainy and miserable and crappy out, but I will keep you updated. I will do a driving video of it and post it for you guys. So until then, thank you, and I'll see you later.